are you today?
I'm great. I'm happy.
You're happy?
Very happy.
Yes.
Oh, that's a really good. I'm glad that you are doing well today.
Yes.
Wait, before we class, is there anyone who's not here? Is there anyone absent?
Yes, sir.
Who is?
Duta hilang, sir. Duta is not here. Yes, sir.
Do you know where the dog may be?
No, sir.
No.
No.
I guess there's gonna be another alcohol.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Let's talk about it later. Alright. Before we start the class, I want to ask you about something rather simple. Yesterday, after you come home, what did you do?
Me, sir. I eat the mango. Me, sir.
You ate mango?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. How about you?
I start doing my homework.
You start doing your homework, eh? Nice answer. Thank you for the answer. However, it's not entirely correct. Sorry to say, but yeah. It's supposed to be, yesterday, I ate my mango. Not eat, ate. Sounds unfamiliar, right?
Yes, sir. Very different.
We'll talk about it later. And you, yesterday, I start
Doing my homework.
doing my homework. It's supposed to be I started doing my homework. Yes, we're going to talk about it later.
Okay.
That is the topic of today's lesson, which is regular and irregular verbs. What are those? Figure it out with me.
Okay, that's good.
Oh.
Alright, let's talk about it. Okay, kondisi class.
Okay, sir.
I'm guessing you must be quite confused about this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What are those? Alright, first, this, the start, why does it change into started? What's the difference?
Ada tambahan edit.
Oh, yes.
Ada tambahan ed-nya. There's an addition in the ed part. What is it? How about this one? Watch it. Same pattern, right? Ed. What is it? What does it stand for? What? Masih ada itu kayak ngomongin. That is used. That is called regular verb. Fokus on this spesifik dulu ya. Ini namanya regular verb. Why? Because it explains. We're gonna talk about it.
Okay. Regular.
And this one, you notice its differences?
Yes.
It became.
Ate.
Yeah.
It's pronounced A.
Oh.
Yes, but why is it like this? Why? What? Apakah katanya diubah? Apakah hurufnya diubah? Kan? Kalian masih bingung. What is the pattern? No, what this one?
Sound.
Kenapa diubah dari G?
Yeah.
It's called irregular verb. Irregular verb. This one is regular. This one is irregular verb. Regular verb. Alright, regular verb and irregular verb is a verb that is used when we talk about something that happens in the past, not in the present, not in the future, and not when I'm imagining me with her. No.
Wow. Good.
It specifically happens in the past, alright? Whether it is a year ago, a decade ago, a month ago, or even an hour ago, or even a few seconds ago, it still counts as the past. So you use these changes. These changes, there are two changes, regular and irregular. The regular has pattern of the ed or d. Notice the difference. This one has ed. This one also has ed. Let me run. This one. While this ones only have D in it. if you're wondering where it should be D or where it should be ED, you have to memorize it.
What?
Memorize it.
Never.
Yes. There are countless variations of words. You have to memorize each of them. The only pattern I can give you is the ED and ED for regular. And how about the irregular?
Yes.
Aku sudah bilang tadi kan ini irregular. There are no specific pattern. Yang ini baru kalian harus benar-benar fully memorize the entire changes.
Ya ampun. The dictionary.
Yes. This one doesn't have any pattern. You just have to memorize.
Oh, we have to read the dictionary.
No.
So far, anyone following?
Yes.
Any question? Before we move on?
Oh.
Yes.
Berarti itu semuanya nggak bisa dikasih edit.
Not everything can be ED or D. Beberapa ada yang masuk ke sini. Beberapa ada yang masuk ke sini. Memindahkannya, cara tahu posisi itu masuk regular or irregular, you have to memorize. That's gonna be an exciting challenge for you.
Good.
Alright, you have understand the basic concept, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about the sentences. Their uses in sentences. Alright, eyes on me, attention please.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now let's talk about the sentences. The uses of regular and irregular verbs in sentences. Yang pertama kita ke irregular dulu ya. I ate mango yesterday. I ate mango. What's the difference?
Yeah.
The verb is the difference, right? The ate one. Anything else?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, thank you. The yesterday part. How about moving on? I started my homework yesterday. I started my homework.
Started.
Any difference? Started. Nice. And then there's of course this one, right? This stands out the most. These two changes, like I've told you before, especially this one, are uses in past
Pas.
events, something that has happened in the past. How do you know? From the yesterday part, yaitu adalah time signals.
Time signals.
Time signals untuk menunjukkan, to identify that those happens in the past. The clue is yesterday. Kalau di sini kan tidak ada tuh. Ini bakal bebas, kalian mau pakai apa? Gak jelas. But in this one, there's the time signals that makes it clear that you have to use regular or irregular. That is the indication of when to use it.
Oke.
Okay, got it.
Sure. Understand.
Moving on to the next one.
Dulu nggak suka.
Right. Okay, thank you.
Oke.
Let's moving on to the summary.
Wow.
Regular verbs uses the pattern of V, verb plus D or
ED.
Nice. The irregular verb doesn't use any pattern. It is actually a form.
Yes.
You have to memorize. These are the examples I gave, okay? Ini contoh yang saya kasih. Ada apa nih? It became became
Came.
C become
Saw.
K become
Car.
Wait, I wanna add. Ini ada yang sama perubahannya. Again, you have to memorize. That's it. So that's all for our class. Wait, there's homework.
No.
There's homework, guys.
There's no more. Oh my god.
I already gave you some examples, right?
Yeah.
Now, I want you to go home and find another 10 example each, irregular and regular. Just the word. Just the word. And
Yes,
of course,
the word.
memorize it.
Memorize.
That ends today's class. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for listening and bye bye.
Thank you.